Yay! Today was a very special day. It was Lucy's birthday.
Good morning, Lucy. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mom. I am waiting for my birthday party.
Lucy, I need to go out for some time.
Dad, today is my birthday.
Yes, I know. But there is an important problem at work. I will come back as soon as I can. Enjoy your party.
Lucy, we are here! Wow, your house looks amazing! It's so pretty! Yeah, I love it! Welcome to my birthday party! This is the best party ever! Yeah! Yes, Miss Lucy! Got it! Wow, it's so big and pretty! Yeah, look at all the candles! I can't wait to blow them out! When will Dad come? Mom, when will Dad come home?
Your father is busy. I don't know when he'll be back.
He forgot my birthday! Can we eat the cake now? You only care about food! Why are you angry at me?
Lucy, that was not nice. You should say sorry. Lucy, it's time to blow out the candles.
I don't want to.
Please, sweetie, for me? He always loves me. I was wrong.
Happy birthday, my sweet Lucy. I love you.
I missed you.
I understand now.
I am sorry for being rude.
I was upset, but it was wrong. It's okay. We forgive you.
Really? Thank you.